Hello, good afternoon, friends. I am Ajay Yadav, a lecturer in English from Government Polytechnic Nanded. Here I am submitting assignment number 4 for the FDP, Communication Skills and Personality Development. It's an FDP of 4 weeks, which is going to be end by the end of this week. Now, I just want to discuss about the content which we have dealt with in the 4 weeks. Week 1, in this very first week of this training, we discussed about communication skills. In this training, we learned how to identify the types of communication barriers in the given situations and how to overcome them. We also learned how to identify the missing element in the communication process and how to use different style of verbal communication. Finally, we learned how to build and improve our communication skills. This week 1 was about communication skills and their usages. In the second week of this program, we learned about non-verbal communication. In this week, basically we learned how to use non-verbal communication styles in various situations. We learned how to use relevant facial expressions in various situations and how to prepare the reports of various types of event conducted and how to draft memorandums, minutes of the meeting and applications. Week 3 of this training was about motivation and behavioral styles. We learned how to build the quality of being a team leader, how to build self-confidence in various situations and resolve various conflict in different situations, how to build emotional intelligence for various situations. Finally, in 4th week, we learned about personality development and public speaking. We learned how to build own personality, how to become a good public speaker and develop the stage courage and stage qualities, becoming a lifelong learner and develop interpersonal relationship. Friends, in this particular training, in this particular faculty development program, we learned about how to guide others to make an individual and a versatile communicator. I am lucky to become the part of this training. Thank you very much.